Ever made a purchase you instantly regretted? We've all been there. You see that perfect jacket, that must-have gadget, and before you know it, you're swiping your credit card. But then, a pit forms in your stomach. Did you have enough available credit? Will that payment you just made free up some space for that jacket? Fear not, friends. Today, we're diving deep into the world of Capital One credit card availability. We'll answer the burning question, how long does it take for a payment to reflect on your account and free up that sweet, sweet credit? Now, before we jump in, it's important to understand the difference between your credit limit and your available credit. Your credit limit is the total amount of money Capital One allows you to borrow on your card. Available credit, on the other hand, is the remaining amount within that limit that you can actually spend. So, if your limit is $5,000 and you have a current balance of $1,000, your available credit sits at $4,000. Okay, with that groundwork laid, let's get to the real question. You make a payment on your Capital One card. How long does it take for that glorious available credit number to increase? The answer, like most things in life, isn't a simple one. Here's the breakdown. Posting time. First things first, your payment needs to be processed by Capital One. This typically happens within one business day of submitting your payment, whether it's through online banking, mail, or a phone call. Availability. Now, here's where things can get a little tricky. Capital One, like most issuers, has some flexibility when it comes to reflecting your payment on your available credit. They might wait until the end of the day, or even the next business day, to update your account. This means that even though your payment has been received, it might not show as available credit immediately. So, while you can expect your payment to be processed within a business day, it could take an additional day or two for that reflected amount to free up your available credit. Need that credit ASAP? Here are some tips. Plan ahead. If you know you have a big purchase coming up, try to make a payment a few days beforehand. This way, you're more likely to have the available credit you need when the moment strikes. Consider payment methods. Capital One offers a few different payment methods, some with faster processing times than others. Online payments and phone payments are generally the quickest, while mail checks might take a few extra days to reach and be processed. Contact Capital One. If you've made a payment and it's been several business days but your available credit still hasn't budged, don't hesitate to reach out to Capital One's customer service. They can investigate the issue and let you know what's going on. Remember, communication is key. Don't get caught in a situation where you need to use your card but your available credit isn't reflecting your recent payment. With that said, thanks for watching. Until next time, stay informed and happy swiping, responsibly, of course.